Hello again, my dear friend. I'm happy we meet here tonight, in this quiet space, just you and me. Maybe today was a busy day, maybe it was slow, maybe it was a little messy, a little uncertain, but you're here now, and that's enough. Tonight we will talk about something important, something that many of us forget when life moves too fast. We will talk about growing at your own pace. From the moment we wake up, the world tells us to hurry. Hurry to get things done. Hurry to succeed. Hurry to become the best version of ourselves. We see other people moving quickly, getting promotions, buying houses, starting families, traveling the world, and we think, I'm falling behind. But here's the truth. Life is not a race. There is no single timeline for everyone. The pace that feels right for someone else might not be the pace that's right for you. Imagine you are a tree in a forest. Some trees grow fast, reaching high into the sky in a short time. Others grow slowly, their roots deep and strong before their branches spread wide. Both kinds of trees are beautiful. Both kinds belong in the forest. You are one of those trees, and you are allowed to grow in your own way. Slow growth can be invisible at first. It's like a seed underground. You can't see what's happening, but inside the soil, the seed is opening, reaching out tiny roots, preparing for the day it will rise. You may not notice your own growth because it happens in small moments. The moment you speak a little kinder to yourself. The moment you take a deep breath instead of reacting with anger. The moment you get up and try again after feeling tired. These moments matter. They are proof you are moving forward, even if you can't measure it on a calendar. Let's imagine something together. Close your eyes for a moment. Take a slow, deep breath. Inside your heart, there is a garden. It's yours. No one else can touch it. In this garden, you are growing flowers, trees, maybe even vegetables and fruits. Some seeds you planted just yesterday, some seeds you planted years ago. Each one grows at its own speed. You don't stand over them and shout, "Hurry up!" You water them. You give them sunlight. You trust that in time, they will bloom. Treat yourself the same way. Give yourself patience. Give yourself kindness. And trust that you are blooming, even if you can't see all the changes yet. It's so easy to compare yourself to others. You see someone else's chapter 20 and think, why am I still on chapter 5? But remember, you don't know the whole story of their journey. You don't see the days they struggled, the moments they doubted themselves, the things they had to let go. Your path is yours, their path is theirs. And both are valid. Comparison is like looking at another person's garden and thinking your flowers should bloom at the same time. But your soil, your sunlight, your seeds, they are different. And that's okay. Sometimes the reason we feel stressed is because we are moving at a speed that's not natural for us. Some people thrive in busy, fast-moving environments. Others feel best when life is slow and steady. Think about your own rhythm. When do you feel most peaceful? When do you feel most alive? That's the pace you need to protect. You are not lazy for taking your time. You are not weak for choosing rest. You are wise for listening to your own body and heart. Picture yourself walking on a mountain path. The air is fresh, the view is wide. Some hikers rush past you. They are strong and fast. But you are walking at your own speed, sometimes stopping to rest, sometimes pausing to enjoy the view. The important thing is this: you are still moving forward. Even if you walk slowly, every step brings you closer to the top. And when you reach the top, you will have enjoyed the journey, not just the destination. When life moves slowly, it's easy to feel like nothing is happening. That's why it's important to notice and celebrate small wins. Did you get out of bed on a hard day? That's a win. Did you drink enough water today? That's a win. Did you speak kindly to yourself after making a mistake? That's a win. Every small step matters because small steps over time build big changes. Before you sleep tonight, try this gentle reflection. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and let it out slowly. Think about one thing you did today, no matter how small, that made your life a little better. Maybe you smiled at someone. Maybe you rested when you were tired. Maybe you took a moment to enjoy the sunlight. Say to yourself, "That was good. That was enough." Time is not your enemy. It is your partner. It is the space where your growth happens. You don't rush a sunrise. You don't hurry a flower to bloom. And you don't need to force your own growth. Trust the timing of your life. What is meant for you will not pass you by. It will arrive when you are ready. As you lie down tonight, feel the weight of hurry fall away from your shoulders. You do not have to catch up with anyone. You are not behind. You are exactly where you need to be. Let your breathing slow. Let your body relax. And know that even in rest, you are growing. Good night, dear friend. May your dreams be gentle. May your heart be light. And may you always remember, you are allowed to grow at your own pace.